Morning, bud. We'll go outside. Come on. We only have a little bit. We got 15 minutes until our workout class, so we're gonna take our coffees to go. And these are those cups we got at Target, right?
Yeah.
These are good. We bought some for your parents too.
I like hate them, but they're convenient.
They're convenient, I know.
So ugly.
They're ugly. Actually, they're not bad. They're definitely like a dad cup.
Everything's a dad item.
Yeah. They're good for like to-go cups.
Yeah, well,
they fit in your cup holder. Yeah, exactly. All right. This is a day in the life of an athlete.
This is a day in the life of an athlete. So athletes drink coffee before working out. We don't do any pre-workout and that fake crap. Okay, just kidding.
Yeah,
no shade if you take
pre-workout.
No shade if you
We've
take
taken
pre-workout.
like all those pre-workouts before.
Yeah.
We prefer just taking a shot of espresso.
Yeah.
Or all natural.
I am wearing Forever 21 Active biker shorts, Aloe Yoga bra, Adidas sweatshirt, and my Nike Air Maxes. All right.
I have to brag on you. I'm not going to show my whole outfit, but I have to brag on you because.
On me?
Yeah, because these are the Walmart shorts.
Hell yeah,
And they're really comfortable. And how much were they? Like $12?
they are. $7.
$7. They're good shorts. The black ones you
They're
bought
not
me.
too long either.
The black ones you bought me
Yeah.
are good fit, but they have like the liner on the inside, like the bathing suit liner.
These look like they're the Russell brand. So
Yeah.
we gotta get more of those.
But those black ones, are the black ones the Walmart brand?
Yeah, maybe.
I felt like I was doing squats. I swear I was gonna like rip back of them. Because they were like, it's that liner that like feels like it's really tight. Anyway, Walmart brand, Walmart's good. I like the black leggings you had on
The Walmart leggings.
Walmart, those are bomb.
They're really
They look good.
Okay, so, Goose, you're not coming. So, oh man. We didn't record our workout.
We did not record.
It was not the vibe today.
It was
It sucked.
yeah, it was 6 stations.
I don't care.
Jill always gets mad at me when I try to explain the workout. I was just wanting to say that it was 6 stations. Usually there's like 12 or 15.
Yeah.
Today was 6, but you had to stay at the station for a lot longer. For 5 reps before you switched.
What do you think was the hardest?
Those push-ups were freaking hard.
Pulses.
They're push-up pulses where you had to stay low and have a weight on your back and just do like pulses, not all the way up.
Brutal.
That was hard. It's
We're
like
gonna do
30 seconds each set. It's brutal.
I need like a hot yoga. I want to do like a hot yoga tomorrow.
Midday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I need a good deep stretch. All the athletic muscles in my body are like sore. The next activity in our athletic regime, which is walking.
We tell ourselves that it's for Noah, but it's actually for us.
Yeah, totally. I think that's the point of a dog. And most owners say that. It's like the walk's not really, it's for you than it is for the dog.
Yeah, but it's good for the dog. And the dog
it's
needs
great
it.
for the dog. But
at the very least, do it for the dog.
It'll make you walk.
Right, and that's why we got a Vizslas, because they're energetic. When I was in college, I was like, you know what? I've always been like play football or whatever, and if I'm not gonna play football anymore, I'm want to get a dog that's gonna make me work out or run, and that was a bust. I got him and we didn't run, but we did, like, he's kept us like active for sure.
He definitely has. Keeps us off our butts.
These yawns though. You've yawned in just about every clip during vlog week.
I'm tired. I don't think I'm sleeping well or something. Something's going on, you guys.
Maybe you're pregnant. Oh no, you have to have sex.
Shut up. Love that joke.
I love that joke.
Every guy.
We're remaining.
Will never be enough. Never be enough.
We're remaining abstinent until we're ready to start trying to get pregnant. So it's been about 4 years. No, we're like twice a day type people. Yeah, right.
Sounds like a dream for you and name it for me.
Alrighty, so we just got home, pulled into the crib, and we're gonna go on our walk. Should we lather up the oil? You know, we're Maui Baby today.
Yeah.
You're gonna put Maui Baby on or oil? Alright. My hair came out during the lunges, which was a miserable time for it to come out because the lunges suck, and I'm just jumping around and it's like all in my face. Alright. Good job, buddy!
You need to work on your howl.
Alright, Pete, you know what time it is.
Gym tan laundry.
Exactly.
That's alright.
Little Maui babe. Need some on your back.
Wait, this is like a thumbnail.
It's funny.
Idiots.
I know I cover up my fault lines with silly putty. Like the laugh's gonna make the bad shit turn to nothing, but that's rubber, I'm glue. All I say, stick to you, trying to get closer to the truth. Man, I ain't 22 no more, gotta shoot for the moon. Fuck if I fall on the floor, I always get back up, ask for more. I'ma keep playing pain strings till they chanting encore. Do you, don't let them push your youth through a door that they open. This an open wound, I'm an open book. I'm a kook, shooting hoop dreams, they breaking through the roof. They be at the tree of Eden, trying to tear out all its roots. I be aiming for a king, playing around in a booth. Like this'll all work out, tell my mama I'll be cool. She ain't gotta worry about her little chicken flew the coop. Chicken, little knew the truth, the sky's always falling down. Everybody's reaching out, thinking they can grab the clouds. Sing it, subtle.
The sky is falling. Everybody's trying to grab the cloud. The sky is falling. Everybody's trying to grab the cloud.
Alright, I am showered and I just put on some Supernatural makeup and did my hair with the Dyson Airwrap. Have you guys ever tried this? Well, I just filmed a little get ready with me on this exact hair and makeup, so it should be up after vlog week, probably on like Saturday, so you can check it out. But I've been loving this like really light. Oh hey, buddy, hi. Okay, so now I need to get to work. Okay, so before I hop into work, you guys know that I am a huge fan of Casetify cases, so they are sponsoring this portion of today's vlog, which I'm very happy about. They are my favorite phone case brand. Honestly, the best of both worlds, because typically you can't find cute cases with very protective cases, and they basically combine the both of those. They have thousands of styles on their website, and the greatest thing about them is that they're military grade, drop protection to the max, and super cute. So I've had this snakeskin one on for a while, which is really cute and so my aesthetic. I customized it with a little my name on the bottom, but I think I'm gonna switch out for the pink one just for, like, you know, summertime. It's really cute and girly, and it still like keeps it nice and sleek, but it's super protective. I seriously drop my phone all of the time. Like, I've got this new phone recently and I drop it literally over and over and over again. and it never has shattered since I've bought it. You can get 20% off on your Casetify order by going to this URL, casetify.com/JulianneHunter, and when you click the URL in the description box, it'll bring you to the site, and then there will be the code, the discount code will like pop up at the top of the screen, and then you can just like copy and paste it into your discount code box at the end of checkout. So I know last time we did this, it was a little confusing, but just click it. It'll like basically give you like a little bubble at the top of the screen with the code, and then you just enter that. So I'll have all that info in the description box down below, and go check out their phone cases. They're the cutest. Mosquito control. So basically we pulled up some plants, and the water obviously continues to go in the holes when it rains or when it gets watered. So he said to put a dollop of soap in each of the holes.
Do you want to help me with this task? These are what adults do.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And apparently there's mosquito larvae.
You don't want to eat goose, you're going to get mosquito bites.
Alright, I think that is all. Hey Goose, you're in the clear. What a day. What a day. Sorry, I'm just checking for holes. We had a busy work day, and I feel like I haven't really picked up the camera much. Just how some days are. You know, like some days are fun, some days are not. It's up and down. So is life, right? It's like you've got funny and fun days, you've got down days, and some days are just kind of boring, you know, a little more serious work things. Some are a little more fun. Just depends on what's going on, you know. All right, we are gonna go grab some food somewhere. And
we're thinking about Macero, what we were talking about the other day. Get like the salad and salmon.
great.
It's really good.
Yeah, I think I want that. And then we can get some chips, and they have really good salsa. We're having a weird day. We feel weird. We feel like,
well, it's been like a normal work day.
But like the world is just like not the same.
Operating.
We just feel like, I don't know if uninspired is the right word. It's like we just both feel like flat. Like not, I feel like, I don't know what it is.
I think it's like we're bored. Like we're definitely
maybe bored's the word for flat.
We're definitely fortunate that we get to work from home. Excuse me. We have flexible jobs where we're able to like work from home and work out and do like kind of our whole normal routine. That's not normal for like a 9 to 5 where you have to go into the office. And I think everyone's getting a little bit more flexibility because of COVID and working from home.
Yeah.
But I think everyone's starting to get a taste of what it's truly like working from home, where it's like you're just at home all day. You either like it or you don't. And I think some people have really enjoyed it. Some people are probably really freaking hating it right now.
I know.
Oh, do we got masks?
Yeah. I mean, I get it. It's because, you know, no one's out or doing anything. Like, it's a pandemic, but it's very strange. And, like, it's just, like, sad, I think. That's the biggest thing, is it's sad.
It's sad. We've been talking about that salmon salad from Macero a lot, or we talked about it in the other vlog a couple days ago.
Yeah.
We decided we're gonna come pick it up. Have a nice little date night dinner.
Okay, it's very late. but we totally fell off. Sorry if this was a terrible vlog. We had a very busy day.
We don't like ourselves when we get on a show because we just stay up later than we need to.
So bad.
It's 12:40. I got an 8:30 workout. You have a 9 o'clock workout?
Mm-hmm.
What time are you setting your alarm?
8.
Vlog week, that's a wrap.
It's just we're slowly falling off. Yeah, it's a wrap. But we'll be back.
We'll be back.
We're gonna keep vlogging this weekend.
Yeah, we'll have a vlog coming soon. We have some other fun videos
Mm-hmm.
while we're out of town. We're not gonna be vlogging while we're out of town. I don't know if we said that yet.
No, I'm taking a
Taking
breather.
some time off. I'm taking off work for the first time in a while.
And we are, for the first time, I think, in 3 or 4 years, not vlogging a vacation, which we have never done.
I know.
We have not had a camera on a vacation. So, we don't really mind it, but I think it'll just be nice.
We'll still do Instagram and stuff, but just not vlogging and editing and posting and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
But we'll miss it, and we'll miss y'all.
I know.
We'll have some videos prepped that we'll post while we're gone.
Yeah.
But regardless, we love you guys. We really appreciate all your support and love you show
Totally.
us, just like all the sweet comments we get. Y'all are all so
Laughing
kind.
with us.
Yeah.
At our stupid
Thanks for
jokes.
putting up with us.
It's fun.
Y'all are, I mean, that shows how kind you are, the fact that you put up with us.
I know.
Put up with our dumb jokes.
Totally. And I hope that it can, I know this is like a weird time, the pandemic and stuff, so I feel like it's nice to, I don't know. I like watching YouTube videos, so like they're comforting in this time, so I hope that they can provide that for you guys too. Oh, somebody's creeping their way in our room. Who's there? Oh.
Hey, bud.
Hi.
You want to close out and say goodnight too?
Say goodbye to everybody. Say thanks.
Come on. You want to say goodbye?
Say goodbye.
Yeah.
Say that's a wrap.
That's a wrap, Goose.
That's a wrap.
I'm ready for COVID to be done.
Me too. Gosh, won't those be the days?
I know. It's weird.
It's so weird.
I heard we're not even at the halfway point yet.
For real?
That's what I heard yesterday
From who?
on the radio.
Oh.
But,
Shoot.
well, the halfway point of like beating it and knocking it.
Yeah,
I don't know
yeah.
about like quarantine type stuff.
Yeah.
Quarantine summer.
Yeah, it's not even about quarantine, just the whole thing. Like, the world is just different with this, you know? Like,
You're getting old, Goose.
because you are getting old.
You're getting old.
You're stressed because you're turning gray.
Your birthday is on August 28th.
That's right.
You're turning 8.
Feel this pad.
Young Stunner, what's happening?
It's all roughed up.
Yeah.
Goose, you scaled it. You scaled it. What did you do? There's some texture on that one. The other ones are smooth. That one's textured.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna end on that. Love you guys.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
The whole world burning, the whole world burning. It's red against blue, and the whole world's yearning for purple in the sky, like the sun is saying bye. The whole world learning, its waste is about to die. Print for pieces of the pie, but we sim with the crumbs. We just like we wanted love, so different than it was. Everything is falling down, everything is falling down, everything is falling down, everything is falling down.
Sky is falling.